You've probably seen those dramatic TV shows where people hunker down in underground bunkers, surrounded by shelves packed with years' worth of food, water, and high-tech gear. It's easy to think that being prepared means going to extremes, spending thousands of dollars and dedicating entire rooms to emergency supplies. But the truth is, real preparedness isn't about breaking the bank or buying the most expensive gear on the market. You don't need to invest in top-of-the-line equipment or have a secret bunker to be ready for life's unexpected challenges. What really matters is being smart, resourceful, and having a practical plan for emergencies, whether it's a sudden power outage, a natural disaster, or getting stranded on the road during bad weather. Everyday situations can quickly turn serious, and a little preparation goes a long way. You don't need a millionaire's budget to protect yourself and your loved ones. In fact, some of the best survival tools are affordable and easy to find. Today, I'll show you how to build a complete, life-saving bug-out bag for under $100. That's right. Just a single bill can get you everything you need to handle most emergencies. This isn't about collecting fancy gadgets or showing off the latest gear. It's about covering the basics: water, food, shelter, first aid, and tools, so you're ready for whatever comes your way. We'll focus on high-value, multi-purpose essentials, items that can serve more than one function and help you adapt to different situations without weighing you down. I'll break down the 10 most critical categories for survival and show you the best budget-friendly options for each, so you can make smart choices without overspending. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear shopping list and the confidence to build your own affordable emergency kit, no matter your experience level. So grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of budget preparedness together. You'll see just how easy and important it is to be ready for anything. First things first, you need a backpack, the foundation of your entire kit. This is the item that will carry everything you need, so it's worth taking a little time to choose wisely. Your backpack is more than just a bag. It's your mobile base of operations, and it needs to be up to the task. Forget about those expensive tactical packs you see online or in specialty stores. For our budget, a sturdy, basic backpack from a big box store works perfectly. You don't need to spend a fortune to get something reliable. In fact, many affordable backpacks are surprisingly tough and can handle more than you'd expect. When you're shopping, look for durability. Check the stitching, zippers, and fabric. Comfort is key, especially if you'll be carrying it for long periods, so padded straps and a breathable back panel are a big plus. Aim for a capacity of 25 to 35 liters. That's the sweet spot for carrying essentials without being too bulky or heavy. Don't get distracted by flashy designs or trendy colors. In a survival situation, function always beats fashion. Choose a plain, practical backpack that blends in and does its job well. I found this one for just $18. It's sturdy, has a spacious main compartment and a handy front pocket, and it survived a 30-pound stress test without any issues. That's more than enough for what we need. This bag gives you about 80% of the performance of a high-end pack for a fraction of the price. Unless you're planning on hiking the entire Appalachian Trail, you really don't need to pay for all the bells and whistles. Remember, the bag itself isn't what saves you, it's what's inside that counts. Your backpack is just the tool that carries your real survival gear, so don't stress about making it perfect. Don't blow your budget here. Save your money for the essentials that will actually keep you safe and comfortable. Every dollar you save on your backpack is a dollar you can spend on better gear. With about $82 left in your budget, you're in great shape. Now, let's move on to the most important survival item, clean water. This is where your priorities really start to matter. Water is your top priority in any survival situation, whether you're lost in the wilderness, facing a natural disaster, or just preparing for emergencies at home. Without clean water, your body quickly becomes dehydrated, making it difficult to think clearly, move efficiently, or stay healthy. Remember, you can only survive about 3 days without water, while you can go weeks without food. That's why water should always come first when you're building your emergency kit or planning a trip outdoors. Carrying all the water you'll need isn't practical. Water is heavy and you'll run out quickly. Instead, you need a reliable way to purify water you find along the way, whether it's from a stream, pond, or even a muddy puddle. Water purification tablets are the best budget option for most people. They're lightweight, take up almost no space, and are incredibly easy to use. For just $8, you get 50 tablets, enough to treat 50 liters of water, which is more than enough for a short-term emergency. These tablets work by killing bacteria, viruses, and many types of parasites, making almost any fresh water source safe to drink. Just drop a tablet into your bottle, wait the recommended time, and you're good to go. Add a basic 1-liter plastic bottle for just $3, and you have a complete portable water purification system for only $11. It's a simple, effective solution that fits in any bag or glove compartment. Tablets are perfect for a 72-hour kit or bug-out bag. They're lightweight, don't expire quickly, and you don't have to worry about them breaking or leaking. With no moving parts and no risk of clogging, they're as reliable as it gets. Just keep them sealed and dry, and they'll be ready whenever you need them. For longer-term emergencies, or if you're traveling in areas with lots of sediment, a water filter might be a better choice. Filters can handle more water and remove dirt and debris, but they cost more and can clog or break. For price and simplicity, though, tablets are unbeatable. Once you've got your water needs covered, you can start thinking about food and other essentials for your emergency kit. For 72 hours, food is about energy and morale, not gourmet meals. Emergency ration bars are compact, calorie-dense, and cost-effective. A 3,600 calorie bar costs about $10 and covers your needs for 3 days. It's vacuum-sealed, long-lasting, and easy to ration. You could supplement with granola bars or trail mix, but for reliability, stick with a dedicated ration bar. For $10, your food is sorted. Simple, efficient, and effective. Water and food together cost just $21. Next up, first aid. Injuries are more likely in emergencies, and even small wounds can become serious. A basic pre-made first aid kit costs about $9 and covers the essentials: bandages, antiseptic, gauze, and tape. Add a travel-sized bottle of ibuprofen and a small roll of moleskin for blisters, just $2 more. For $11, you're ready to handle cuts, blisters, and minor pain. This kit fits easily in your bag and can make a huge difference. Now, let's add a tool that can fix almost anything: the multi-tool. The multi-tool is your portable toolbox: knife, pliers, screwdrivers, and more in one compact package. Skip the expensive brands. A solid budget multi-tool costs about $12. Look for pliers, a sharp blade, and basic screwdrivers. This one has all that, plus a can opener and all. It's not top-tier steel, but it'll handle repairs, food prep, and gear adjustments. For $12, you get 5 tools in one, saving space and money. With your multi-tool ready, let's tackle lighting. Light is essential for safety and tasks after dark. LED flashlights and headlamps are bright, efficient, and cheap. I found a combo pack, flashlight and headlamp, for $7. Both use 8AA batteries, so I added a 4-pack for $2. Store batteries outside the flashlight to prevent accidental drain. For $9, you're set for any nighttime emergency. Next, let's keep you warm. The emergency blanket. Exposure to cold is a real threat. Hypothermia can happen fast. Emergency space blankets are a game changer. They reflect 90% of your body heat, are waterproof, and cost just $1 each. They're compact, lightweight, and multi-purpose. Use as a blanket, shelter, ground sheet, or signal. I'm packing 2 for $2, one for warmth, one for backup or shelter. For the price, nothing adds more protection to your kit. Now let's talk about fire, your source of warmth, light, and comfort. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Start with a Bic lighter, cheap and reliable. Add waterproof matches for backup and a ferro rod for a fail-proof, long-lasting option. A lighter, matches, and ferro rod cost about $10 total. Include homemade tinder, cotton balls with petroleum jelly for easy fire starting. With 3 ways to make fire, you're covered in any condition. Now, let's add a simple but powerful signaling tool, the whistle. A whistle is the loudest, most energy-efficient way to signal for help. A P-less plastic emergency whistle costs just $2 and can be heard over long distances. 3 blasts is the universal distress signal. It's tiny, light, and could save your life. For $2, you get a huge boost in safety. Last, let's talk about the ultimate fix-it tool, duct tape. Duct tape is the king of improvisation. Patch gear, make splints, fix leaks, or even create cordage. Don't carry a whole roll. Wrap 10-15 feet around a water bottle or a flat card. For about $1 worth, you get endless repair options in a tiny package. This last dollar brings our total to just under $100. You now have a complete, well-rounded kit for emergencies, on a budget. There you have it, a full 72-hour bug-out bag for under $100. We've covered water, food, first aid, shelter, fire, tools, and signaling. Preparedness isn't about fear. It's about empowerment and taking care of yourself and your family. Start small. Pick up one item at a time, and soon you'll have a complete kit. The best bug-out bag is the one you actually have when you need it. Customize your kit for your needs and location. Share your favorite budget gear and tips in the comments. Let's help each other get prepared. Thanks for watching.